Hi everyone, this is Sanan from Car Inspected, and today we're taking a look at this 1969 GTO Judge. It has the 400 cubic inch engine, hydromatic transmission, automatic, disc brakes in the front, drums in the back. I did most of the inspection, but we have not yet taken it for a test drive, but most of the inspection has been, we've taken a lot of pictures already. So I'm just starting with a walk around, just to give you an idea of what the body alignment looks like and the paintwork as well. Underbody, the seller is providing pictures of the undercarriage clearer than this, because they had the car on a hoist at the time when they took their pictures. So you can see undercarriage very, very clean. I did a little bit of surface rust here and there, but other than that, really very, very good condition. Body panel alignment, everything lines up. There's a little damage here to the paint. As you can see, there's a dent here, but other than that, I mean, look at it. And this is a gap here, and it's consistent all the way along the front end of the car, just because I believe this is plastic or fiberglass. But you see the little cracks here, and this is actually a sticker that was recently removed. It's not an imperfection, but the imperfections are here, little bubbling here, here, and there. Other than that, hood, I did paint thickness verification on all of the panels, all the metallic panels, and everything checked out fine. There are some imperfections in the paint. You can see a little bit of a crack here, but given the age and the mileage and the quality, the shine is beautiful. Here too, a little bit here. So this side has had a little bit more work than the other side. I don't know if you can tell from the reflection, but the paint thickness did reflect that as well. So if you compare this side with that, you see here it's almost a mirror, where on the other side just a little bit. To the untrained eye, I don't think you'll be able to see it, but and when using the paint thickness gauge, it was showing anyway. So a lot of work has gone into the car. Tires are pretty much new. There's like 930 seconds left in the tread depth, which translates to about, I think, a 7.5 millimeter remaining. So brakes in the front, more than 70% remaining. The rear brakes, well, they're drums, so there is no way for me to check them, but we'll verify during the test drive. If there is any rust, it would be very, very minor spots here, here. Again, these are from the outside, so these are surface at best. The car comes with 2 keys. You can see them here. And we'll go through open the trunk. Okay. In the trunk, the inside of the trunk lid is very clean. The stickers are all there. The tire, I did take a picture of the tire, and you can see the aftermarket jack that is supplied. Under the liner, everything is clean. On this side as well, you can see. And then if you look at the wiring for the brake lights and for the license plate light, it's there. Little discoloration around this bolt here. So the only thing that I was told that is not original was the exhaust. Everything else, as you can see it, I mean, it's pretty clean. No leak from the differential in the rear. This is the gas tank here. So, now the moment that you have been waiting for. As I said, I mean, imperfections, but sorry. I'm gonna put the camera down for a second while I try to open the hood, because it's a two-handed operation. And hood is open. Sorry about that. There we are. Hood is now open. The springs and the hinges on the hood, there was a readjustment done, you can see from the bolts, right? But then engine, I don't see any damage. Well, I see some the work has been done on the transmission, as you can see in the center of the video, but when we went inside we looked at the work that was done, and it was actually the seal for the transmission oil pan that was replaced. We did a battery verification. It did test out okay. The clutch for the fan is very smooth. Power brakes. So power steering is there. No AC. Okay. So we'll start the engine. Well, maybe take a look at the interior a little bit more first. So, under the door liners, the Fisher body stamps and stickers. You have the window retraction, and then the folding of the seats. You can tell this car belonged to someone who really loves cars. They really took care of it, and I did have a chat with the gentleman. He's passionate about it. So you see the gauges. We'll take a look at them in a second in a bit more detail, but you can see the gap here under the cushions, and then you see the roof liner and the seat belt storage. You see the deck in the back. The sliding seats do function. Little imperfection here. Other than that, Now, going in, taking a look at the steering wheel. Steering wheel, little, maybe needs to be, I guess it was recolored. As you can see, this is probably the original color, and then it was recolored to this, just to match. And then you have the ashtray. I believe that's an AM radio. As mentioned, there is no air conditioning. I did open it and take pictures of it, but it's a little bit hard to do with one hand. So, still talking with the owner. We might take it for a quick test drive. Okay. Passenger side, you can see it clean. Seals are good. These that rubber usually is worn out, but in this case, pretty sure it was replaced, so it is good, nice. And then you have the window in the back. I believe these are trap doors. And then on the passenger side, a folding. And we're going back now into the driver's side. You can see the alternator. I believe that's an AC Delco. Yep, it is. And we did an oil quality test. It did pass for humidity and acidity. I'm just starting up the engine. Okay, now take a look at the engine running. Very nice. Some stickers you'll see here, and then you have the VIN number, vehicle identification here. That's the exhaust. The exhaust sound is just phenomenal. Alright, just to give you a quick idea, I'll turn the steering wheel so you'll see how easy it is to turn. You can see with the finger. And tire wear is even. Now we'll go to the other side. So a couple of things that we're probably going to check during the test drive would be the windshield washers and the gauges. I'm not sure if the odometer is functional. I don't think so. I don't think that the odometer is functional. Alright, I think I'll turn off the engine now. Turn it off. Close the doors because it's just starting to drizzle. I don't want it to get wet on the inside. You can see the cross member in the front. Very nice. Alright. There you go. One final walk around. Didn't get a shot of the roof, but the roof is clean. I'll get a close-up in a second. There you have it. I don't think a video or pictures do it justice. I mean, look at it from this angle, it looks like a toy car. It's just a really, really nice, well taken care of vehicle. It's starting to rain, so maybe we'll take it for a quick test. We'll just wait for a gap in the weather to briefly stop raining, and then we'll take her for a quick spin. This has been Sinan from Car Inspected, and that was a pre-purchase inspection on this GTO Judge 1969. And we are in just outside of the greater Ottawa region. Thank you for watching.